Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Home is Where Your Heart is All About. Today I'll be sharing 5 simple and quick gift ideas. For the first DIY, I have taken one pack of molded dough. Mix both of them well. Place a sheet below. Make a ball, flatten it and place the other paper on top. Once you get the desired shape, place candles, press them on the dough. Allow it to dry a little and then with back of a pen cap just make designs on the sides. Allow it to dry completely and here we have a simple and beautiful candle stand. Here I have taken white metallic color, paint it all over, give 2 coats of the colors and once it's dry, apply a varnish. For the second DIY, take 3 candles, apply Fevicol all over and then sprinkle glitters on them. You can use glitter colors of your choice. Allow it to dry and then again apply 1 coat of Fevicol. And here we have a beautiful candles ready. For the third DIY, I'll be taking a red color pom-pom, a pair of eyes. Apply some Fevicol on the eyes and stick it on the pom-pom. Take black felt, draw a small triangle, cut it and stick it. Now draw the feet and stick the pom-pom. And here we have a beautiful keychain ready. For the fourth DIY, take a small jute bag. Take stickers of your choice, cut. Then take out the plastic, apply some Fevicol, stick it on the jute bag. Apply another coat of Fevicol. Allow it to dry. Place some chocolates inside and you have a gift bag ready. For the fifth DIY, take a plain white greeting card, 3 glitter foam sheets. On the red foam sheet, we'll draw a heart, cut it out, apply Fevicol and stick it on the center of the card. With the other 2 glitter sheets, draw flowers on them, cut them and keep aside. Arrange the flowers on the greeting card. Then apply Fevicol and stick them accordingly. Decorate the flowers in the center with a bead or a pearl. And here we have a beautiful greeting card ready. If you have liked this video, please put a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.